welcome to my channel once again. My name is Olajumoke. Thank you for stopping by. So today I'll be making side pattern on my 5-month-old. For now, I can only make her hair when she's asleep, so that's why she's always asleep when I'm making her hair. When she's awake, she does not allow me to make her hair at all. So enjoy this video while I make my baby's hair. As you can see, her hair is washed and well moisturized. It is soft, and you can see how the comb is easily passing through the hair. So sit back and enjoy. I really hope she sleeps through this hair making, because babies, it can be so funny. She can just wake up when I've done just 2 waves. Well, fingers crossed. Please, as you watch this video, support us by subscribing, drop a comment and hit the like button. Thank you. Mama is awake. She woke up when I was about finishing the hair. So I tried to let my sister carry her to see if I could finish up the hair. I did some, but she wasn't having it, so I had to stop and continue later. So I couldn't film the ending part of this hair making. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.